How to get refund on Temu without returning. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get refund on Temu without returning. For this, you want to open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Once you have opened the app, log into your account. Now you want to tap on the U tab at the bottom of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the Your Orders option. Now, all of your orders will be visible over here. You want to find the relevant order that you want to refund. Now, you want to tap on the Return/Refund button. Now, you would like to select the items that you want to refund. Now, select the reason for refunding. Depending on the reason you selected, you may be required to provide further information related to your order. Once that is done, tap on the Next Step option. Now, you will only get refund on items without returning if your item is less than $10. If your item is more than $10, you will have to return that order. But if your item is less than $10, you will not have to return and you will get the refund. So now you simply want to select your refund method. You want to choose the same payment method that you selected earlier. After you have selected your original payment method, you want to tap on the Submit option. Now, in a couple of days' time, you will get the refund without having to return this item. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.